Hi everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies and we've taken the cover plate off of the back power truck of the AHM Sea Liner. Where is that truck cover? Here it is. Now since we've got that off and I don't know why, but they have one screw with a bolt and another screw that doesn't need a bolt, and then there's the that really old-fashioned coupler, which is kind of cool. It's got a little spring on it. Thank God it didn't pop off. Well, why did I do this? I was going to put on these traction tires, but the traction tires that I have are for steam engines and GG1s, and they're just a little bit too big. Why do I want to put on new traction tires? Because you could see, this old one from the train from the 60s has corroded off. I may attempt something that I haven't done in ages, putting on a steel tire.